Today we're working on the letters A-Y. Together these two letters equal the sound of the long A. Long A sound. You'll hear that long A sound in words such as bay. You add a B to the A sound and you get bay. D, day. G, gay. H, hay. J, jay, for like jaybird. A capital K for the woman's name of Kay. L for lay, like go lay down, Roscoe. M, may, mother may I? P for pay, like paycheck. R, capital R for a man's name, Ray. S for say. Say it with me, George, say it. You add a W to A and you get way, like no way, George. So, adding these letters, each of these consonants, to the long vowel A sound, you're going to have 12 new words that you can practice this week. Bay, day, gay, hay, jay, kay, lay, may, pay, ray, say, and way. I hope you have a fun time learning these.